I am not a registered investment, legal, tax, broker, or dealer. All opinions expressed by me are mine, my own, and how I trade, and my thoughts and my ideas. You need to consult your own professional, you need to do your own due diligence, and you invest your money wisely. Investing has risk. You will see. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't hold me liable. I'm just expressing my own ideas. Do your own due diligence. Good morning. This is my March 23rd, 2021 watch list. I'm watching AAME. Really want to see it get above the 575 mark. Well, really want to see it get above the 560 mark and hold. ACRX, just looking for continuation. If it holds strong over 1718, probably look to enter. AEHL, anything over 350 and it holds, it might be worth it. It's been as high as 5.5 not too long ago. AEZS, this one's interesting, especially if it gets over 135 and holds. It's been as high as 362. ASTC looking for continuation today. BBIG, this one's interesting. It's been as high as 9.4. Right now it's at 338. The MACD just crossed. If it can sustain 350 and hold, we can get a trend reversal. ECOR, I'm just watching it. I'm not in love with it. IPDN, if it gets 3.5 and holds, it can go. Right, we have our pivot points. We have as high as 5.5, so it's on the list. KRKR, same situation. If it gets above 410 and holds, it can go. MDRR looking for a hold above 2.2. You can see this volume here, big bar. Those people haven't left. We get the MACD touching. It gets above 2.2. We can go back up. MKGI, this one's interesting from the aspect that it was recently $5, sitting at $4. If it can get to like 410 and show real volume or real strength, the only problem here is this big sell day, so most of the support's gone. We'll see. This is how a bar lies to you, because this volume is selling here, even though this is up. So we'll see. REPH. It gapped down and it's kind of consolidated. So if we can get anything above 379 and it wants to go, then we've been up here before. SGLB, this one's really interesting. Basically looking for above 5.1. This kind of reminds me of EXPR. I just don't know if it's ready. SNDE. Big gap down, 3.7, 152. This is a nice hammer. Maybe we get some continuation, chop for a week or so, and begin to gap fill. And then SRAX, same thing here. We get about 4.6. We have our pivot points. We go to pivot points. We fill this gap, and then we can start to decline at 7.2. So we really have something at 450 that was high as 7.2. Is there value there? We'll find out. That's it. Have fun.